Music is one of the best art forms which can be learned by anybody. College going, school going, elderly persons, young people, homemakers can pursue the hobby. I'm Rajesh here, an engineer by profession, teaching musical keyboard for over 25 years now. I plan to teach musical keyboard in a very simple, easy to understand, step-by-step method on my channel, Music Keys. I welcome everybody to it. Musical keyboard is one of the easiest instruments to learn. You can call it as a factory-tuned instrument. The musical notes are made ready, just the skill of playing has to be learned. However, it takes a little practice. You don't have to sit for 4 hours, you don't have to sit for 5 hours to practice it. Just make it a point, you don't miss that 20 to 30 minutes practice every day. You see amazing results, I guarantee it, 100%. Music gives you a lot of other benefits too. It improves your concentration, it improves your memory factor. Health benefits you have got in it. Why not try it out? Best of luck. Now you see a diagram of a musical keyboard layout. You have white keys and black keys arranged in a certain manner. You may notice you have a group of 2 black keys and a group of 3 black keys. Find the group of 2 black keys. Just below the first black key is a white key letter named as C. After C you have D. After D it is E. After E it is F. After F it is G. Now wait, after G it is not H, it is A. After A, B. After B, C. After which the pattern repeats. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. What are these alphabets? You can call them as the musical alphabets. What are the musical alphabets? I'll sing the musical alphabets. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Going backwards. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. For now, get comfortable with the musical alphabets. You should know how to find them easily. If I ask you where is F, you should know how to find it. If I ask you D, you should find it. If I ask you B, you should find it. Get comfortable. Be very clear as we continue. Now we come to the next diagram. Here you see I have substituted C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C with Saregama pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Exactly identical. I have started the first musical note Sa on C. That is why we named the scale, a musical scale, as C major scale. Which scale you have learned today? It is nothing but C major scale. What is C major scale? I'll sing the musical scale. Saregama pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. You may also notice I have written some numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. These are the finger numbers. Finger number 1 is your thumb finger. Finger number 2 is your pointing finger. Finger number 3 is your middle finger. Finger number 4 is your ring finger. Memorize the finger numbers so we play C major scale on the musical keyboard now. Find the group of 2 black keys. You have the 3 black keys here. Find the 2 black keys. Just below the first black key is the white key there. I'll play the white key. I'll sing C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. I'll play C major scale now. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. We repeat. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Today you learned how to find the musical alphabets, how to play C major scale on the instrument. This is your first step in the process of learning the musical keyboard. Okay, practice C major scale as slow as possible. Try to do it on a uniform speed. Practicing daily is the key. Never miss that 20 minutes a day. It gives you a lot of results. Anyway, subscribe my channel to continue this easy to do step-by-step method to learn musical keyboard. Thank you very much.